Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about, or we're going to give a review on Life 360. So, what is Life 360? Life 360 is an application that helps you keep track not only of your own location, but of course, the location of your family members, your loved ones, your girlfriends, your partners, your wife, your kids. So, it's a very useful app to help you locate loved ones and friends and family. And yeah, so here on the video right now, as you can see, you can track your own location. You can also see where you drove this morning, where you went this morning or this day. It also includes everything like from your home to the place you went to, how long it took. At the same time, if you have the premium version, you can also see this your speed, at the same time how many times you used your phone while you're on the road, while you're driving. So it also has a weekly driver report that you receive every week. You can also create bubbles. Now these bubbles are really helpful to for the application to detect where you are and to give at the same time uh an accurate information to your loved ones regarding where you are currently traveling in. So this is very helpful, especially if you are going on a family road trip or you're going out of town and you don't want your relatives or your very important people in your life to worry for you. At the same time here, you can change the map layouts so you can have it like in a realistic mode. You can have it zoomed in and then it turns into like a satellite realistic mode type of map. And at the same time here, you can also add in locations where you want to get alerts. So for example, here I'm currently at home, so whenever I arrive home, my partner will instantly receive a notification on her phone notifying that I have arrived home. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to give you a glimpse of Life 360 and check it out. Don't forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.